Okay, exercise 2.2, problem 2, discussion. Let's read the problem. Find the common difference and the 15th term of the AP 125, 120, 115, 110. Okay, and it's continued. Right, let's mark what is given in the problem. First thing, it's an AP series. Okay, it's very important here because we are doing an AP series exercise. You know it is AP, but in an exam you will not know whether it is an AP or a GP. Okay, so first thing is that you have to figure out which type of series it is. Okay, then you are asked the 15th term. Okay, find the common difference and the 15th. So all they have given is only AP, and they have given the first few terms. Okay, this is all given in the problem. So let's write out what is given. T1, first term is T1, and that's also equal to A. Okay, so T1 equal to A, that is equal to 125 is the first term. T2 is 120. T3 and T4, if you want, you write, otherwise it's okay, because all you need is T1 and T2 to find the common difference. If they have not given that it is an AP series, suppose they say it's for the series 125, 120, 115, 110, then at least you have to write T3, because D you will calculate T2 minus T1. And D, one more D is T3 minus T2. Only if these D's are equal, then you will be able to say it is an AP series. So in such cases, you will have to write T3 up to T3. If they say AP, this fine. You can, if you do only T1 and T2. But just for to play safe, I have written T3 and T4 as a practice. Okay. Now, next, what are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate the common difference and the 15th term. Need to calculate D, which is a common difference, and T15, right? So now let's write the formula for the T15 and D. The nth term is given by Tn, that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, if you look at this first, as I have been telling, all you need to do is write the formula for whatever is asked. Here you are asked T15 and D, so write this formula Tn and see whether it's solvable. If you look into this, Tn is what you want to calculate, but D is not known. So which means we cannot use this formula as it is. Next, you are asked to find D. Write the formula for D. So D equal to T2 minus T1. So this is possible. D can be calculated because the right side is completely known. So we'll have the first step will be calculate D. Then you come to this formula, substitute the value of D, A and N, and get the value of Tn. Okay. Suppose this step also doesn't give you answer, look at the whatever is given in the problem and write formulas for that. Then you'll be able to solve it. Okay, this is a way to solve any problem. Write the formula for what is asked and see what is not known, and then write formulas for the unknown there, and you'll be able to get the answer. Okay, so let's go through the steps. Substitute the values of T1 and T2 in D equal to T2 minus T1 and calculate D. We know T2, we know T1, it's all given here. So substitute them and get the value of D, which is a common difference. Next, substitute the values of A, common difference which we calculated in step 1, and N. Okay, N is 15 here because they say they want to find the 15th term. Okay, so N is 15. In the formula, Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We know A, we know N is 15, and we know D from step 1. So substitute all these values and calculate the nth term, which is Tn. Okay, it's an easy problem. So pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. And after working, come back and check your answer. Okay, so good. Let's come to the solution. So T1 equal to A, that is equal to 125 given in the problem. T2 equal to 120. Common difference is given by the formula D equal to T2 minus T1. So D is 120 minus 125. So that is equal to minus 5. I'm sorry, I think I've made a mistake here. Okay, sorry, and D is T2 minus T1. So T2 is 120, so it's right. 120 minus 125, that is equal to minus 5. So now the common difference is calculated. The general term is Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We know the entire right hand side. Okay, substitute the values of A, N and D, you'll get T15 will be equal to A is 125 and 15th term, so N equal to 15. So 15 minus 1 into D we just calculated that to be minus 5. Okay, so this on simplification, 125 will come here. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 5 minus 5 is minus 70. So 125 minus 70, that will be equal to 55. So the common difference in this case is minus 5 and the 15th term is 55. I hope you got the problem correct. If not, make suitable correction after checking you're working with our solution. And if you have not understood the concept, please go back to the discussion part of the video and review it. Okay, thanks for watching.